deleted for CBSE examination. Actually, this is the easiest one. I don't know why they deleted. They deleted this exercise, probability distribution. Here xi is there, under the probability is there, probability pi. In xi we can write anything, 3 times, 2 times, 1 times, 0 times, -1, whatever it may be. This is 0.3, the probability is 0.2, 1 is 0.4, 0 is 0.1, 0.06. Yes, now what happened? When you add this probability Pi, hello, all are there in the line?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
You add
sir.
probability, all
Yes,
these
sir.
number, it should come equally 1. If it is equal to 1, then the probability distribution is possible. If it is less than or more than 1, which is not possible. You tell me whether it is possible or not possible.
No.
Not
No, sir.
possible.
Not possible,
Because what is
sir.
the reason? What is the
More than
reason?
one.
More
More.
than
Some is
Less
coming
than
more
one.
than one.
More than 1 is coming.
More
Okay.
than one.
Yes, more than 1 is coming. So now xi is there, pi is there. How to find the mean? How to find the mean?
Xi into Pi.
Yes, summation of
Summation of Xi
pi
into
into xi
Pi.
or
Yeah,
xi into
XI.
pi. pi. 1 minute. 1 minute. இல்ல நான் உங்க பேசுறேங்கிறதுக்காக விட்டுட்டேன். நான் இப்ப கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன் 11:40 ஓகே 11:40 So now sigma xi pi, then how to find the variance? When I'll do the problem, I'll tell you. Then how to do the standard deviation. That's all it is there. Okay. Standard variance and mean. But it is not your CBSE syllabus. Now directly we'll go to the problem. Okay, now directly we'll do the problem. Find the probability distribution. Are you here on the line?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Find the probability
sir.
distribution. Find the probability distribution of the number of sixes. The number of sixes in 2 tosses. Find the probability distribution of the number of sixes in the 2 tosses of a die. So when we will toss one time, what are the chances are there?
1, sir.
Correct, no?
1/6.
Correct or?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
1
Yes,
to
sir.
6.
Yes. Now what happened? How to write the probability distribution? It is like that. Now first, what are the chances will be there? Both the time when you toss two times you are not getting 0. That is 0. All the probability distribution, when the two tosses means 3 chances are there. One is x equal to 0. Next, when you throw it, okay, first time you are getting 6. Second time you are not getting 6. Next, x equal to, what are the chances are there?
2, sir.
2.
What are
Both
two
times
times?
6
Two
is
times also you
coming.
are getting. 2 times also you are
6.
getting.
6.
Now listen here, 1 second I'll tell you. Now 2 times you are tossing the die. So first time you are tossing the die, not getting 6. Second time you are tossing the die, not getting 6. The probability distribution, that is called x equal to 0. That means you are not getting at all. So the second chances, when you toss it, yes, immediately you are getting 1 6. But second time you are not getting 6. That is x equal to 1. X equal to 2. First time also you are getting 6. Second time also you are getting 6. So this much you understand, that is enough. When I will solve the problem, you will understand everything. Okay. First of all, right, let x be the random variable which denotes the number of sixes in 2 tosses of a die. Number of sixes in 2 tosses of a die. Next line. When a die is tossed twice, the number of sixes may be 0,
0, 1, 2.
or 2. Understood how to write? All the problem you should write
2.
like that only. Next. When a die is thrown once, let P of A be the probability of getting a 6. A die is thrown once. Listen carefully. A die is thrown once. P of A be the probability of getting a 6 is how much? 1 by P of A?
1/6.
1 by 6.
1 by 6.
Because the die is thrown only once. This is getting 6. Next, not getting 6. P of B of the probability of not getting 6. How much?
1 by
5 by 6.
5 by 6.
1 minus 1 by 6
5 by 6.
equal to 5 by 6. Good. 5 by 6. Now let us see how to write the probability distribution. There are 3 chances are there. So now let us take the chance number 1. P of x equal to 0. What is the meaning? P of x equal to 0?
No 6.
No
Ah,
6.
P of x equal to 0 means what is the meaning? Not getting 6.
No 6.
So first time you are not getting 6. You are not getting 6. How to write? P of
B.
x equal to
P
0.
of B.
That means you are not getting 6 in first task. Very good.
P of
P
B.
of B. Second time also you are not getting 6.
P of B.
P of B. What is the answer? What is the answer?
25 by 36.
How much time you are taking, buddy? Just to multiply and tell me, don't give work to me.
Nothing,
You are
sir.
going to appear the examination. Yes. Now P
25
of
by
equal to
36.
1. P of x equal to 1. That means when you toss 2 times, one time you will get 6. Now let us say, first time you are tossing the die, you are getting 6. What happens second time?
Not
Ah,
getting 6.
Not
not
getting
getting 6. R, R means plus. R, first time
Not getting.
Not getting.
Not getting.
not getting. Second time,
P of B into P of
second time
getting.
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 Second time getting. So now which is equal to 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6 into 1 by 6. Tell me the total answer.
5 by 18.
10 by 36.
10 by 36.
5 by
10
18.
by 36.
10 by 36 equal to 5 by 18. Correct? 10 by 36 equal to 5 by 18. Third one, P of
Yes, sir.
x equal to 2. Tell me what is the answer. You write yourself.
1 by 36.
1 by
1 by
36.
1 by 36.
1 by 36.
1 by 36.
Oh,
1 by
first
36.
throw
1 by 36. P of
P of
A.
A getting 1 6. Second throw also getting the 6. P of A into P of A equal to 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 equal to 1 by 36.
1 by 36.
So the probability distribution is, you are learning the NDA sum only. Okay, but no need to write like this. But who knows? Sometimes they may ask. Okay, so the probability distribution is, you should write like this. Probability distribution is x such that P of x 0, 1, 2. 0 means 25 by 36. 5 by 18. 1 by 36. This is the probability distribution. Understood how to do the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, next problem. Three balls are drawn. Three balls are drawn without replacement from the bag. 3 balls are drawn without replacement from a bag containing 5 white and 4 red balls. Find the probability distribution of the number of red balls drawn. Find the probability distribution of the number of red balls drawn. How many balls you are going to draw?
3.
3.
3. But all the chances will be in white ball or red ball?
Red balls.
Red balls. So when you take first, what ball is coming?
Red.
Red ball.
Red ball.
Huh?
Red balls.
Not getting.
என்ன போட்டோம் நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல?
Not getting anything.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல போன
Not
கணக்குல
getting
என்ன
anything.
போட்டேன் நானு?
Not
Not
getting.
getting zero.
Not getting red, sir.
Not getting no red ball at all. All the 3 balls we have taken, no red ball at all. Second, what are the chances?
One red.
One red leave,
One
one
red
red
ball.
One
Then,
red.
then
two red balls.
2 red ball. Then 3
Three red balls.
red ball.
All 3 are red.
So yes, always you should write like this only. Explain the last problem itself. 3 ball means 4 chances you will get it. No red ball, 1 red ball, 2 red ball, and 3 red balls. Write the problem. Let x be the, write the answer. Let x be the random variable which denotes the number of red balls drawn. So the number of red ball may be, this for your understanding only you are writing. Because this is your UPSC question. UPSC are not going to write anything. Directly we are going to solve it. If directly if I will write, you will not understand after a week. That's why I am telling you to write. Because it is not your CBSE syllabus. So the number of red balls may be 0, 1, 2, 3. Anybody is having any doubt, you ask me now itself. Because it is the second problem I am solving. Only 2, 3 guys only are telling the answer. Others, everybody they are keeping quiet. I don't know the reason. Okay, now let us start the problem. P of, it is not like the die problem. Die problem is different. P of x equal to 0. What is the meaning?
No red ball we are getting. All are white balls.
No
That
red ball.
means probability of
All ball are
White ball.
drawing.
white ball.
White
All
ball.
white ball.
How many white ball?
3.
3 white balls.
3 white ball. Yes. Totally how many balls are there?
9.
9.
9. C
C. C3 sir.
9
C3.
C3. Out of 9 C3, white balls are how many?
4.
White balls are how many?
4 red.
5.
5.
Because this is selection, combination, 5C3. 5C3. Simplify, you will get the answer. Simplify, you will get the answer. Next problem. P of x equal to 1. What is the meaning?
1 red ball.
1 red,
Red
red,
ball.
1 red ball.
Ah.
2 white balls.
1 ball.
2 white balls.
2 white
2
ball.
white ball. But the denominator will be same only. 9C3. Here 1 red ball means
4C1.
C1.
C1 into
5C2.
5C2. Simplify, we'll get the answer. P of x equal to 2. What is the meaning?
Two red ball, one white
Two
ball.
red ball, one white ball.
2 red ball and 1 white ball. Ah,
4C2
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 into
5C1
5C1.
into C.
okay, next one. P is equal to
5C1.
XC3. What is the meaning?
3 red ball.
3 red ball.
All
Yes.
three.
What is the answer?
4C3.
4C3
4C3 into
3. Now, as per that one, you write the probability distribution. Understood? Last problem, the probability distribution. Last problem. After that, directly I will go to your UPSC problems. Or I will do one more problem. Okay. Yes. Right. A random variable X has the following probability distribution. Yes. Get the question. Question number 1. Find the value of A. Question number 2. Find sometime it may be your UPSC question. Find the value of A. Anybody?
1 by 44.
1 by
A is equal to 1 by 4. Because the probability distribution, it should be equal to 1. So it should be equal to 1. So A plus
P of 1
1
plus P of 2,
P of 2,
P of 3
P
plus
of
P of
3,
P of 4.
4. What is P of 1?
4A.
Tell me, yeah.
7A.
Okay, what is the total then?
8A.
Hmm.
22A.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Last column. Find the mean. Find the mean and variance of the following probability distribution. If you know the variance, then standard deviation is very easy. One, two, three, 4, 0.3, 0.4, 0.3, 0.1, 0.1. Okay, how to write this one? Xi and Pi, like statistics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.4, yes, you have to write Pi Xi. What is the answer? 0.4, 0.6, 0.6, 0.4. What is the total, you tell me?
2.
2.
2, sir.
2. 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now you write the mean. What is the mean? Sigma
Sigma
PXA.
equal to 2. Is it correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Variance raw data. Anybody will tell the formula? 11th class you studied.
Summation.
The summation xi minus
Summation of P of
x
xi.
dash upon n
Xi
upon n.
by n minus
So PA xi is there already. Then I need xi square. What is the xi square?
1 4 6 9.
What is the PA xi square?
0.4. 1.2.
1.8,
1.6.
1.6. What is the total?
5.
5. So
5.
now it is equal to variance equal to 5 minus PA xi is 2 square.
1.
1 is the answer. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now what happened? Now directly we'll go to NDA problem. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, one boy you asked the doubt. That time I'll tell you I'll teach you tomorrow because today purely we are going to see the UPSC problem. What is the meaning of mutually exclusive? I said mutually exclusive.
A intersection B equal to 0.
A
A
intersection B
is equal to 0, sir.
Huh?
A intersection B is
Intersection B is equal to
Yes,
0.
mutually exclusive. Suppose a die is thrown. What is the sample space of the die?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
Only few boys are telling the answer. What happened others? If you are not telling the answer, you may sleep. So there are two conditions is there. Condition number A. Condition number A is event of getting a number less than 3. Less than 3. What is the number?
1,
1 and 2.
Event. Second one is the event of getting a number more than 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
Yes. So now here, what is A intersection B?
Null set.
Null
This
set.
is called. This is called
Null set.
Mutually exclusive.
mutually exclusive. What is the meaning of independent event?
A intersection B is equal to
Yes,
P of A
that
minus
is,
P
that
of.
is entirely different. There's independent event and mutually exclusive events are no way connected. That meaning is different and this meaning is different. Next one is mutually exclusive event. What is that meaning?
Their union will be sample
P of
Sample
When you make that A union B, it should come the sample space. It should come the sample space.
space.
Okay, so that's all enough. Now directly I'll go to the problem. Okay, right, problem number 1. If E and F are mutually exclusive events, then P of A intersection B is, don't tell the answer immediately. Just wait for a minute. If you tell the answer immediately, then others they will not think it. So the second answer, mutually exclusive, then P of E intersection F is. Yes, now you can tell the answer.
D.
D.
D, sir.
What is the answer?
Zero.
D is
Zero.
the answer. Because there is no probability E intersection F equal to 0. The probability of E intersection F also 0. Now whatever I am doing, this is the last 5 years NDA model questions. Right. Next, same question. If E and F are mutually exclusive, then P of E union F is P of E plus P of F multiplied. It's the same 4 answers. You tell me which is the correct one. Take 1 minute. Don't tell the answer immediately. Tell the answer.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A is the correct answer because P of E union F equal to P of E plus P of F minus P of E intersection F. What is the P E intersection F equal to how much?
0.
Zero.
Zero.
Why it is 0?
Zero.
Why it is 0?
Mutually
Mutually
exclusive.
Mutually
Mutually
exclusive.
Mutually
So
exclusive.
automatically it will be the first answer. A. P of E plus P of F. Right. Next problem. A card is drawn. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. The probability that it is either spade or a king. Either spade or king. Maximum you can take 1.5 minutes. First time if you will do the problem, even you
C,
take
sir.
half an hour, you will not solve. Tell me, good.
C.
C, sir.
C.
C.
Which is the correct answer?
C, sir. C for.
A, C.
C.
A, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
A.
A.
sir.
Huh?
A, sir.
You are not solving the CBSE problem, UPSC problem. Okay, no need to write any steps. Correct answer is A is the correct answer. Yes. Now we have to find the probability of
A.
spade is A given. R. What is the symbol for R?
Union. Plus.
Huh? Yes. And what is that king? Write the formula. Write the formula. Write this formula.
P of A plus P of B minus P of A into
P of A plus B.
கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன் அதனால தான் வரவேற்காங்க புக்கு ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்காங்க சரிங்களா சரி ஓகே hello sorry some people they came to collect the book right P of A union B A you have written as a spade don't take much time this is spade and this one is king what is that answer
P of
how to
A
write
plus
P of
P of B minus P of A intersection B.
yes it is a mind calculation A intersection B. No need to write this formula also when you do the UPSC solving the problem. What is that? How many spade will be there?
13.
13.
13 by
sir.
52. How many king will be there?
4.
4.
4, sir.
4 by 52.
In a spade, how many king will be there?
1.
1 by 52. 1 by 52.
52 is the LCM. No need to simplify. 13 plus 4 equal to 17. 17 minus 1 equal to 16.
16
So
by
16 by 52. You can cancel by 4. Answer is 4 by 13.
4 by 30.
Exactly, it will take only 30 seconds, not more than 30 seconds. Okay, next problem. Recently, you studied this problem. Study this problem. If E and F are evens such that P of E equal to 0.4, P of F equal to 0.8, P of F given E equal to 0.6, then find P of E given F. Answer A 0.4. They'll ask this type of problem, you are lucky.
C, sir.
0.3.
0.3.
C.
Huh?
0.3.
What is the answer?
0.3.
0.3.
C.
Yes, C is the answer. Correct. So now you all are know this answer very well. Because which is equal to, we already done this problem, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That P of E intersection F we'll find from P of
F by
Ah.
F given E, sir.
F given E. That is the reason I am telling you regularly you should attend the class. Okay. Otherwise you will not understand. Now also I know very well 20 to 30% of the students will not understand what I am writing here. So now which is equal to P of, this is my duty I am teaching. You are here inside the classroom, then I'll kick you. You are away. I don't know whether you are studying or sleeping. Your mobile is on, doing something. I cannot find out. Yes, now from this one, we'll find E intersection F. From this one, E intersection F, we'll substitute, you'll get the answer. That's all. Then go to next column. E and F, that is easy problem only. Easy problem. Okay, you do this problem. A die is rolled. A die is rolled. If the outcome is an odd number, if the outcome is an odd number, what is the probability that it is a prime? It is a prime. I don't want to write the answer. If I write the answer, you'll tell very easily. You yourself, you tell the answer.
Two by three.
2 by
3.
2 by 3 is the correct answer. 2 by 3 is the correct answer because outcome is an odd number. What are the odd numbers?
1, 3,
3, 5.
1, 3, 5.
1, 3, 5.
From this one, which are the prime numbers?
3 and 5.
3 and 5.
What is the question? What is the probability of the prime number? So 2 out of 3. Easy one. This question also they asked. Next problem. A box containing or a box contains a box contains 4 red balls, 5 green balls and 6 white balls. A bag is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the ball is either red or green? Did you finish this type of problem? A ball is
Yes, sir.
A box contains 4 red, 5 green, and 6 white balls. A ball is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the ball is either red or green? Tell me, we done this type of problem or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the rule? What is the rule? You tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
What is the rule?
Yes. Plus.
P of A union.
Probability of green.
Shall I use Bayes theorem for this one?
Bayes theorem.
Hmm?
No, sir, in that
No, sir.
2 box are not given.
You cannot. Huh?
2 box are not given.
Okay, okay. Let us say I'll give you some time. You want to answer? Answer also I'll give you.
1 minus E.
What is the answer?
B.
B.
Option D, sir.
B.
I don't know why you're taking this much time here. Simple problem. Answer B is the correct answer. I can understand. The red ball is A, green ball is B. The problem is P of A union
And
B
B.
equal to what is the answer?
P of A plus P of B.
P of A plus P of B.
Is mutually exclusive or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then probability of A. What is the answer? Probability of A.
4 by
4 by
15.
4 by
15.
4 by 15.
4 by 15.
Plus 1 by
What is the probability of B? Green ball.
5
5
by
by
15.
1 by 3.
5 by 15.
1 by 3.
That's all. Add and you will get the answer. Next problem. A couple has 2 children. A couple has 2 children. The probability that both are boys, comma, if it is known that one of them is a boy, is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 6, and none. A couple has 2 children. The probability that both are boys is a boy. So what are the chances are there?
1 by
None.
1 by 3.
First of all, what? 1 by?
1 by
3.
1 by
1 by
3.
3.
Good. 1 by 3 is the correct
By 3.
answer.
1 by 3.
First of all, what are the sample space you tell me? 2
Boy,
children
boy.
are there.
Boy, boy,
Girl, girl, boy.
Both
girl,
boy,
girl.
boy.
boy, girl.
Boy, girl.
Boy, girl. Girl, boy.
Girl, girl.
Girl, girl. Boy, girl.
Boy, girl.
Girl, boy.
This is the sample space. Now, event E equal to. What is the first event? Both are?
Both are
One of them is boy.
Both are boys. There's a one event.
Boys.
Next event F equal to
Both are girls.
Are
One of them
What
is
happened?
girl.
1.
First one.
B,
So B1, B2,
B1, G2.
B1, G2,
B1, G2.
B2, G1.
So these three chances are there. Okay. Then what is E intersection F?
1.
1, sir.
B1, B2.
What type of problem you tell me?
Conditional.
Conditional
What?
problem.
Very good, very good. Conditional probability. I'm expecting that somebody will tell the answer, but nobody told the answer. Which is the condition probability? What is given?
1 will
Yep.
be boy, sir.
1 is boy.
Huh?
1
Yes.
is boy.
F is
Yes.
given.
Then what we have to find? P of
E given F.
E given F.
what we have to find?
E given F.
P of
E
E
given F.
given F.
F. P of E given F equal to what is the formula? P of
P of E intersection
E
F.
intersection
Intersection
F.
F.
write all the formula in a separate paper.
P of F.
P of F.
Yes. P of E intersection F equal to how much?
1,
1.
1
by
1.
3,
1 by
3.
3.
1 by 3. So actually we have to write 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 4. 4 cancelled. Then directly I am writing the answer is 1 by 3. Okay. See you. What time Mr. Ankur Pandey class?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Okay, take half an hour, you take rest. Half an hour, you take rest. Then you go to the class. Next, Mrs. Vaijanti will take class tomorrow. Then Wednesday, I'll take the class once again, the probability. Is it okay? Or probability is enough? Or you want to some more probability problem, or you go to any other topic? Your choice only. What do you want?
Some more it is.
Some more
Some more problem.
Some more problem from the?
Prob.
UPSC.
Conditional probability.
Okay, some more problem from the probability. We will solve some 15 problems. Because my teaching is over. Probability teaching is over. Only I selected the problem from your UPSC question paper only. So some more problem I will do it day after tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, madam's class. What madam is taking? Which one?
Vector
Vector.
algebra.
Vector. She started vector? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And already Mr. Ankur
Also-
Pandey, he taught a 3 dimension. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So only 3 chapters left over. Ankur Pandey is taking 3 dimension. I am taking probability, and ma'am is going to take already started vector. So nothing is left over for your 12th class syllabus except LPP. Except LPP, everything we completed. LPP is not included for your UPSC examination. Okay. So work hard. Don't waste your time. 2 weeks left over this week and the next week. Minimum you have to prepare 12 to 15 hours per day. Okay, you should clear your UPSC examination. Everyone should clear your UPSC examination. Make it that is your goal. Because in your life, this is the first competitive examination you are going to write. Okay, if you clear, then you will be very happy. Your parents also, they are very happy. So morally you are boosted. So that means you are achieving something in your life. So our motto also can do it. In future also, whichever field you are choosing, then you will be number 1 in the field. So sit and do it. Minimum 12 to 15 hours work hard. Don't see the TV. Don't play the PUBG game. Don't waste your time. Don't go here and there. Okay, that's all I can tell from my side. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Do well.
Thank you, sir.
Anything you want to ask?